Are you looking to earn some extra cash without needing extensive experience? In this video, we'll explore the 8 top ways to make money with affiliate marketing, all of which can be done part-time. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone looking to boost their income, these methods are simple and accessible. From leveraging social media platforms to starting a blog, each method offers a unique approach to affiliate marketing. We'll break down how you can get started with each one, making it easy for you to dive in and begin your journey toward financial freedom. Let's get started. Number 8, leverage Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual discovery platform that allows you to share and promote products through eye-catching pins. With its user base primarily consisting of individuals seeking inspiration, it's an ideal space for affiliate marketing. By creating visually appealing boards and pins that link to your affiliate products, you can drive traffic and generate sales. While it may not have the immediate reach of social media giants like Instagram or Facebook, Pinterest's longevity and searchability make it a valuable tool. Its unique algorithm favors evergreen content, allowing your pins to continue attracting views long after they're posted, setting it apart from higher-ranked methods. Number 7, participate in online forums. Engaging in online forums allows you to connect with niche communities and share your expertise while promoting affiliate products. By answering questions and providing valuable insights, you can build trust and credibility among members. This method ranks at number 7 because, while it fosters genuine relationships, it requires more time and effort compared to higher-ranked strategies like social media marketing. Unlike platforms with broader audiences, forums cater to specific interests, making your promotions more targeted. However, the potential for high conversion rates is significant, as users are often seeking solutions, setting it apart from less interactive methods. Number 6, write product reviews. Crafting detailed product reviews allows you to share your honest opinions while incorporating affiliate links. This method ranks at number 6 because it combines content creation with direct promotion, appealing to consumers seeking informed decisions. Unlike participating in forums, which may require ongoing engagement, product reviews can be published on blogs or social media, providing a more permanent resource. The unique aspect of reviews is their ability to influence purchasing decisions through personal experiences and insights. However, they may not generate immediate traffic like higher-ranked methods, as they rely on search engine optimization and audience trust to drive conversions over time. Number 5, email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing relationships and promoting affiliate products directly to your audience. This method ranks at number 5 because it allows for personalized communication, enabling you to tailor messages based on subscriber interests. Unlike writing product reviews, which may attract passive readers, email marketing actively engages your audience, encouraging them to take action. Its unique feature is the ability to segment your list, ensuring that the right offers reach the right people. However, it requires building a subscriber base and crafting compelling content, making it slightly more demanding than higher-ranked methods that capitalize on immediate visibility and engagement. Number 4, join affiliate networks. Joining affiliate networks connects you with a variety of brands and products, streamlining the process of finding affiliate opportunities. This method ranks at number 4 because it offers a centralized platform to manage multiple affiliate programs, making it easier to track performance and earnings. Unlike email marketing, which requires building a subscriber list, affiliate networks provide immediate access to a wide range of products to promote. Their unique feature is the support and resources they offer, such as training and analytics. However, while they simplify the process, they may not provide the same level of personalization and engagement as higher-ranked strategies. Number 3, create YouTube videos. Producing YouTube videos allows you to engage a vast audience while promoting affiliate products through dynamic content. This method ranks at number 3 because it combines visual storytelling with direct promotion, making it highly effective for capturing viewer interest. Unlike writing product reviews, which rely on text, videos can showcase products in action, providing a more immersive experience. The unique feature of YouTube is its potential for virality and long-term traffic, as videos can continue to attract views over time. However, creating high-quality videos requires more effort and creativity than lower-ranked methods, making it a rewarding yet demanding strategy for affiliate marketing. Number 2, utilize social media. Leveraging social media platforms allows you to reach a broad audience quickly while promoting affiliate products in a visually engaging manner. This method ranks at number 2 due to its ability to generate immediate interactions and drive traffic through shares and likes. Unlike creating YouTube videos, which require more production effort, social media posts can be crafted and shared in minutes, making it a more accessible option for beginners. The unique feature of social media is its real-time engagement, allowing you to connect with your audience instantly. However, while it offers rapid visibility, it may lack the depth of content found in higher-ranked strategies, like dedicated blogs or videos. Number 1. Start a blog. Launching a blog is the ultimate way to establish a platform for affiliate marketing, allowing for in-depth content creation and audience engagement. This method ranks at number 1 because it provides a space to build authority and trust over time, making it easier to convert readers into buyers. Unlike utilizing social media, which often requires constant updates, a blog serves as a long-term resource where evergreen content can attract traffic for years. The unique feature of blogging is its versatility. You can incorporate various content types, from reviews to tutorials. While it demands consistent effort, the potential for passive income and audience loyalty makes it the most rewarding strategy. So, in this video, we explored the 8 top ways to make money with affiliate marketing, all simple and suitable for part-time efforts. We ranked them from leveraging Pinterest at number 8, participating in online forums at 7, writing product reviews at 6, utilizing email marketing at 5, joining affiliate networks at 4, creating YouTube videos at 3, utilizing social media at 2, and starting a blog at number 1. Each method offers unique advantages, allowing you to choose what fits your lifestyle best. Dive deeper into these strategies and start your affiliate marketing journey today. Remember, the key to success is taking that first step, so why wait?